Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Omegle error connecting to server. When using Omegle, if you are also facing this kind of problem where it says error connecting to server, then in this video I'm going to show you the process to fix this problem. Open up your web browser. Now from here, tap on the three lines on the top right corner. From here, tap on settings. Now if you scroll down, you'll see an option for size settings under the advanced tab. Tap on size settings. First, you can head over to the cookies. Tap on cookies. Now this kind of problem may be caused because you have not allowed all the cookies to work in your device. Now to fix this, tap on add site exception and then type the URL of Omegle, www.omegle.com, and tap on add. After you do this, again tap on site settings. Now search for Omegle. And here you can see an option which says clear and reset. Simply tap on it and tap clear and reset. What this will do is it will clear all the cache and unwanted data which may have caused this problem. So after you do these two steps, your problem of Omegle error connecting to server should be fixed.